In this course, we use something called Google Sheets, and if you're familiar with Excel, it's basically the same thing, but what is really nice is you're going to see, if I click on any of these, I can see in this box right here, there are formulas already put in here for me. So all I have to do when I'm working on a lot of these problems is just simply type the numbers in that they give me, and then the formula will show up here. All you have to do is be sure you're logged into a Gmail account. So if you don't have one, you'll have to set one up, and then you just do File, make a copy, and then you can name this whatever you want. Let's say My Google Sheets, and you make a copy. And then I would definitely bookmark where this site is, because anytime you load Google Sheets, it's always going to go, this is now your actual Google Sheets. Anything you type in here, I always tell students, they ask about notes on test. Well, you're allowed to use Google Sheets. So what you could do is you could add a sheet here, and then you could add some notes, some practice problems, screenshots, whatever you need. But definitely students say the way they got through this course was by using Google Sheets.